about to take you on a journey of what to mine. Guys, if you have heard the words Bitcoin mining, if someone's messaged you on Instagram saying, hey, do you want to get into Bitcoin mining, okay? Ignore them for a start, but watch this video and find out exactly what Bitcoin mining is, what crypto mining is. I'm going to show you on the website after this disclaimer. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Let's get into it. So I'm going to dive into this website at watermine.com and I'm going to explain to you exactly what crypto mining is. Guys, the first thing we're going to talk about is understanding cryptocurrency mining. So crypto mining is the concept of verifying transactions on the blockchain. Now, I know you're looking at this screen right now thinking, this is too much for me. This is blowing my mind and you've not even started speaking. But guys, it will start to make sense as you go through the video. So as these transactions go through the blockchain, miners are actually rewarded for verifying these transactions. And it's actually how you allow new coins to be added into the circulation and created. Now, let's talk about proof of work versus proof of stake. So starting with POW, proof of work. So proof of work relies on solving mathematical puzzles to figure out the mining process. Now, proof of stake actually is a different concept where it's the amount of crypto held in a wallet that verifies that transaction. And of course, I'm going to go into detail about both of them. But again, if this is blowing your mind a little bit, these are the videos you need to be watching so you can start to understand the cryptocurrency concept before the only currency we have is digital. Now, the next thing we're going to speak about is mining equipment and hardware. Now, with hardwares, guys, there is a lot of different parts of it you need. So you need components such as CPUs, GPUs, ASICs, and FPGAs, okay? So when you're deciding on what hardwares to use for your cryptocurrency, please dive into some research because some cryptos are actually more suitable for different hardwares, okay? Now, whenever you're investing into a project, these are little things that people blindly go past. You need to know where you're going to be storing your crypto. If you're going to put your life savings into Bitcoin, you need to know where you're storing that. And that leads us on to what crypto to actually mine. Guys, on this side, you can actually see all the coins as well with the profit calculators. So for example, if you were going to pick AXE, okay, you would come on here, click on this coin, have a look at all the details of the mining monitors on here. Now, not all cryptocurrency mining processes are the same profit. Okay, they will be different. And the reason you should come on here is to, like I showed you, you can actually check the different profits on the calculator of how much exactly you're going to get for mining that crypto. Now, setting up your mining rig. If you've got this far and you think this is for me, setting up your mining rig is a task if you don't know what you're doing. But guys, again, you should be following reliable sources. On Watermine, you can get some help if you contact them, okay, with what's actually going on, and they will take you through the process. I'm going to give you a quick overview of this. So using a mining pool, that will actually connect to your computer to use the power. The more power you get is the more frequent you will be rewarded for your mining. I personally think that is a better way of mining than solo mining. You are using the connection of all the power of your computer. Now, if you've got a very, very powerful computer or you link computers up, it's going to allow you to earn cryptocurrency more frequently through the mining pool. But again, like I always say on the videos, guys, no matter what I say on here, okay, you only invest if you're comfortable. If you want to start getting into crypto mining, I do recommend obviously watching videos like this, doing your own research, going onto Watermine, going through the profit calculators, looking at what cryptocurrency you should be mining, and making the reason why you want to mine. A lot of people getting into crypto are just buying crypto. There is big money to be made if you're getting into the mining side, whether you're solo mining or whether you're getting into a crypto mining pool. But please do your own research and never just jump into something like this with money that you need, savings and things like that. Always invest carefully. On Watermine, you can go into the miners and actually go through every single miner that is running right now. So just to give you an idea of what kind of profits you can get, 24 hours, this miner has made $159. Okay. Guys, there is some crazy numbers on here if you want to get into mining. You can have a look at this website and see exactly what's going on. It's a very interesting one. Just hit the link down below to get involved. But guys, more importantly, make sure you hit the like button to this video. Hit the subscribe button because we are trying to get you not just projects that are going to blow up, but ways that you can get involved in crypto and earn money outside of the normal invest everything you've got. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. Teach people crypto. Please hit that bell if you want to be notified about the next video we get. Guys, have a very safe time.